welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another episode of Too Lit Media. We are in the garage today. I've already started test fitting some of the parts on the bike, and I can't tell you guys how excited I am for this bike build. I can't even explain right now. I literally have no words to explain how excited I am for this. Let's just take a moment and appreciate how well this bike already looks. Like, we got the magnesium hubs with the XL A60s with the fresh set of Dunlops. I did do the seat cover already because that was one of my last videos. So I did a how to install the seat cover. We got the chain on and the sprocket. It's just looking so sick, especially with the fatter rear tire in the back. We did go with a 110/90/19, so that way we can get a little bit more traction instead of the stock 100/90/19, which you can tell this thing is skinny as, yeah, let's not even go there. Anyways, we got an extra fresh set of Dunlops here, but I am pumped. I am so pumped on how this bike's looking so far. Some of the parts have already shown up. We got the Pro Circuit axle blocks. I haven't put my front sprocket on yet because I did not have a socket to take off this bolt right here on the bike. I need to get the socket for that. We are still waiting on the clutch cover, or we got the clutch cover, waiting on the actual clutch internals. Got grips, handlebars, and then sometime this week we do got a package coming from Pro Circuit, and that's going to have a ton of parts in it, as well as we got some parts coming from Racetech Titanium. We do also have some parts coming from Works Connection as well. I decided to go with the Racetech Titanium foot pegs actually, so we're going to go ahead and do a video on that once I receive them. I just placed the order today. Kind of pricey, but nonetheless, we're going hard on this build. I honestly don't even know how much money we're gonna be spending on it. So this is gonna be an interesting one. I'm really actually enjoying this. When parts start coming together and everything, it's a good feeling. It's a really, really good feeling. It's almost kind of hard to start tearing down this bike. Like, it just looks so sick right now. But I wanna do this build. Something I've just been kind of wanting to do ever since I had my 2020 kx250. And this year, we're finally getting it down. We are going to be doing this thing. So I guess let's go ahead and start tearing this sucker down. All right, so this is about as far as I'm going to go for today. I have to go do a little bit of inventory on what I've already ordered, as well as some of the stuff that I still need to order, which I know is the radiator hoses from Samco. We're going to get the FCP motor mounts. We are going to be doing some Cerakoting over here on the back case. Right here, this case. We're going to go ahead and Cerakote that. Waiting on the exhaust. We got to get some more titanium stuff that I know that I'm missing and I haven't ordered. Like those, we're getting those in titanium. We're going to get a carbon fiber chain guide. And I'm not sure what else. I kind of got to go through by myself and kind of just mentally think what I need and what I've ordered and all that type of stuff. Now, I know today's video is very, very short, but we're getting started. I'm excited that we're getting started. I can go ahead and also start prepping the plastic so that way we can get the graphics on once they are done. Seat cover's already done. We do got the bars. We're just waiting on some other stuff. And then, yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, as well as go hit that subscribe button because you're not going to want to miss this bike build. This is going to be a one and done bike build. Like I said, it's already getting crazy how much money I've spent so far. And I honestly don't even know how much we're going to end up spending. So if this does interest you, click that subscribe button, follow along this journey, and we'll see you on next Monday's video. We out. Let's go.